All right. Hello guys, it is Diesel Queen here, and I'm going to be going over some more basic modifications that I suggest for your Cummins. And this is going to be for the third gens. I'm aware that this is the second gen. My third gen's outside. I don't feel like bringing it in here just for a video. It's going to be very similar to the second gen. Most of the things that I mentioned are going to be actually exactly the same as the second gen. The first thing that I would start with is a low side fuel system, whether it's FATS or AirDog. Low side fuel system. Extra filtration is really important. The anti-aeration is really important, and their in-tank pumps are a little bit better than the second gens, but not by much. I mean, why not? Why not just swap it out? With an aftermarket system, it's got better filtration, as I mentioned, and you can delete that ugly ass stock filter, thing out of your engine compartment and make it look a lot cleaner. That's where I would start, is similar to the second gen, so I would, dump the low side system on it. I would also put an edge tuner with CTS monitor on it. Now, if you have an 06 or up, and you are able to use EFI, which EFI is not a tune, by the way. EFI is just a system that allows you to do more things. And some trucks are compatible with that and some are not. The 05s and down are not. I think it's like 05 and half and up are. But not going into that, just going into simple plug and play, easy to do by yourself, the edge tuner, right? Do with that. Edge shoots with attitude, specifically with the I think it has 5 power tunes. It has eco, towing, and then 3 more power settings. I like that. You can adjust. You can have your EGT temperature, which for all of you guys that tow is really freaking important. You have every gauge that you can want. It can read codes for you. It can clear codes for you. I like it. Especially if you're like me and you don't really know shit about custom tuning and you don't know how to do your own tuning, I think that's a great start. That they're preloaded, they don't have any, you gotta be careful sometimes with tunes, because if they open your injector up too much, especially on the common rails, you will melt your pistons. And Edge does not do that. Edge is very specific on not doing that and not having those issues. So I think it's a very safe tune to start with. The second thing that I would start with on those is also the steering, especially if you have it lifted. So again, you don't need the $1,000 redhead steering gearbox unless it's ridiculously lifted or you're off-roading really hard. But just the redhead, like the normal redhead steering gearbox, does wonders. I have just the normal redhead steering gearbox on my third gen with 37s, and it made a world of freaking difference. And then I would upgrade it from the Y style to the T style steering, which Synergy has kits for. And then obviously get your ball joints done, and you're pretty much good to go on the third gen. That's kind of like another, just the basic starters for the people that don't have freaking 20 to 30 grand to dump into a truck. Now, I could get into all kinds of other high performance things that you can do to these, but if you're just trying to get some quick, easy power with some reliability, that's where I would start with third gen Cummins trucks.